You're a government. So much to do. Your economy is calling for more energy. Your planet is calling for an end to climate chaos. Offshore renewable energy? Good idea. But wait. Don't just stick your offshore projects anywhere. Do place them outside marine protected areas and sensitive sites. That's better. But hold your horses. Other governments might have different plans. Do collaborate internationally by jointly mapping seas for biodiversity protection and restoration. Don't put your interests before the bigger picture. Now we're in business. The energy's flowing in. Wait just a second. Don't use that energy for endless growth. Do halve energy demand by 2040 and share ownership and benefits with local communities. So there you have it. You're a government. Well done. With the people, for the future. So much to do.